Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, news, entertainment, and fun can't done. As you may already know, it is shaping up to be an amazing time at Disney World and Disneyland all across North America and in Europe. But we will continue focusing on our Disney experience in Orlando. And the series that has started has a part 3. I tell you, eating in Disney is half of the experience. And I tell you this too, the fun and the joy that comfort food brings is topped by no other location than Disney. So take us with you, my friend, on a magical journey of culinary delights as we explore more snacks in Disney Orlando.
Hello everyone, my name is Joey here for DFB, and today we're going over even more Disney snacks that you have to try. If you thought this series was over with part 2, That's right, we've got so many snacks around Disney that we have fallen in love with, and we wanted to share all of them with you. So anyway, let's jump right in here. We're gonna start off with the No Way Jose, which is located at Beaches and Cream Soda Shop in the Beach Club Resort. Now this one is kind of a hidden gem on our list. It's $9.50, and it is a massive ice cream sundae with scoops of vanilla and chocolate ice cream, thick layers of warm peanut butter and hot fudge covered with peanut butter and chocolate morsels, and topped off with whipped cream and a cherry. This one has been a DFB favorite for years, and we probably love it most for its massive amounts of warm peanut butter. Next up, we've got the Nudel Gratin at Sommerfest in the Germany Pavilion in Epcot. Now, Sommerfest is a counter-service location with various German snacks, but the Nudel Gratin in particular is really good. It's $4.29, and it is snack credit eligible. And basically, it's a baked macaroni with cheese custard. So it's kind of otherwise known as macaroni and cheese, but this version is one of the richest and cheesiest versions that we've ever tried. Now, just a heads up, you've got to be a big cheese lover to enjoy this one. It's kind of plain and a little simple, but it is so good, and it's one of our favorite savory items that can be enjoyed on the go. Now, still in Epcot, we're going over to Japan to Kabuki Cafe because you've got to try the kakigori here. This one is $4. It is snack credit eligible, and it's basically shaved ice with your choice of fruit syrup served in a cup. The syrup options are strawberry, melon, cherry, or tangerine, and you can also get the rainbow, which is a combination of all the different flavors. And don't forget that with this one, you can order it with a sweet milk topping, which is an additional $1. It's a super simple snack, but it's one that we've always enjoyed, especially in the hotter months. And don't forget, they also have an alcoholic version, the sake mist, which comes in more limited flavors. Okay, next up, in Liberty Square, we're going to Liberty Square Market for the roasted corn. This one is $4.29, and it is snack credit eligible. It's only available seasonally, but it's a full ear of corn that is prepared freshly on site, and they also have spices available that you can help yourself to. The last time that we saw these, the spice options were barbecue spice, Italian seasoning blend, lemon pepper blend, smoked paprika and salt blend, and Jamaican jerk spice. We love this as a healthier snack, and we like the option to customize it with the flavor options, and it is especially enjoyable in the cooler months that are coming up when these are typically available. Next up, we've got the double chocolate chip ice cream sandwich at Tamu Refreshments in Animal Kingdom. Now, this is a counter service window in the Harambe village in Africa, and they're known for their assortment of desserts, including Dole Whip. Don't forget the Dole Whip, you guys. And the ice cream sandwich here is $5.79. It is snack credit eligible, and basically it's 2 double chocolate chip cookies with a massive amount of vanilla ice cream in between. And we really enjoy this variation of the ice cream cookie sandwich, which is one of our favorite snacks. Now, there are a plethora of chocolate chips baked into these cookies, and last time we tried this, the cookies were served cold, which means it's slightly more difficult to eat, but also it's kind of a nice plus since they keep the sandwich held together for longer. Now, over in the Mexico Pavilion, we're going over to La Cava del Tequila. That's right. You guys know that this is one of our favorite spots in Disney World. It's a cozy, friendly bar that's mostly known for for their super strong margaritas and amazing tequila selection. Now at La Cava, we're gonna get the chips and queso. These are $10 and they're tortilla chips served with warm queso mixed with jalapeno pieces. The queso is amazing. The cheese is white and lighter than the typical cheese used. And they've got plenty of jalapenos, which actually makes it super spicy and super delicious. You can also get the queso as part of the trio combo for $17, which also comes with salsa and guacamole. Now, you guys have heard me talk about this one recently. We're going to Ample Hills Creamery on the boardwalk, and we're gonna get the butter cake sundae. Now, if you're not familiar with it, Ample Hills is, they're known for their over-the-top, indulgent flavors that are created with really fresh ingredients. Now, the sundae here is $8.49. It starts as a build-your-own sundae option. You get your choice of brownie or butter cake, which, you guys know how I feel about that butter cake. You also get your choice of ice cream, which you can feel free to request more than one, and for ours, we picked the staff favorite Nana D's oatmeal lace with dark brown sugar cinnamon and pieces of house-made oatmeal lace cookies. Then you top it off with your choice of toppings, and that can include sprinkles, mini M&Ms, chocolate chips, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, whipped cream, or cherries. Now this is, as you might have guessed, one of our favorite customizable snacks, especially with such standout and creative ice cream flavors. Now if you're not feeling up to the whole sundae, you can also just get some butter cake goodness in the ooey gooey butter cake ice cream flavor, which has actually got little pieces of butter cake in there. And then if you'd prefer, they also do sell just plain butter cake on its own. Now moving on, we're going to Homecomin in Disney Springs for the thigh-high chicken and biscuits. This is Chef Art Smith's restaurant that has become one of our favorite table service restaurants because everything we've tried here has been excellent. Now as far as the chicken and biscuits, this is $14. It's listed on the appetizer part of the menu, and it comes with 3 cheddar cheese drop biscuits, fried chicken thighs, and each one is topped off with bread and butter pickles and is drizzled with a mix of honey and hot sauce. The hot sauce and honey mixture goes perfectly with the fried chicken thighs that Chef Art Smith is famous for, and honestly, for us, this one is a must order for the table for every visit. Now for the next one, we're going over to Disney Springs, and we're going to Morimoto Street Food. Now this is kind of the counter service version of Morimoto, and they've got a few really amazing items, especially when you compare it to other counter service spots. The ribs here are $10, and you get 3 pork ribs that are topped with hoisin sweet chili sauce, cilantro, and red pepper straws. And Chef Morimoto is famous for these, so being able to get these as a counter service option is a pretty big deal. Now the meat here is incredibly tender, it's really flavorful, and honestly, this is just an unbelievable to-go item that you've got to get it. It's so good. Now for the next one, we're going over to Flame Tree Barbecue in the Discovery Island area of Animal Kingdom, and we're gonna get the onion rings. These are $4.29. They are snack credit eligible, and they're listed on the menu as an onion ring basket, and honestly, it's a huge portion. These are really substantial. The rings are very thick with plenty of batter that are fried and golden brown. Now one of the things we love about these is that the battered outside doesn't just fall apart. They're not flimsy at all, and we enjoy using their signature sauces with these. They've got 2 different kinds of barbecue, so feel free to try both. Now we're going to L'Artisan in the France Pavilion. This is a French-styled ice cream shop with various ice cream flavors and a couple of unique items as well. Some of our favorites here are the Croque Glaces, which is kind of an ice cream brioche sandwich. It's got 1 scoop of ice cream of your choice, along with a layer of sauce of your choice, and all that's sandwiched in between a homemade brioche and is pressed warm. Now we love this one with the strawberry sorbet and the raspberry sauce, but you could choose any combination you want, so there's a little bit of customization there. And we really kind of love the temperature contrast. It's a hot meets cold snack, which is really, really interesting. The brioche is freshly baked and it is sweet. The other item here is the ice cream martini. This one is $11.97. It is served in a plastic martini glass. And this one's got 2 scoops of ice cream, which is then poured with your choice of rum, whipped cream vodka, or Grand Marnier. It's always fun to pick out your combinations with this one. We recently tried ours with coconut, white chocolate, ice cream, and rum. And now you can also have yours topped off with a macaron, which there are usually at least 2 flavors to choose from, including seasonal flavors sometimes. So definitely keep an eye out for those. Now when you have this one, we recommend letting the ice cream melt a little bit first to let it mix with the alcohol, which in the hotter months, that can happen pretty quickly. Now, next up, we're going over to Sprinkles in Disney Springs. We're gonna get some of those frosting shots. Now, Sprinkles, if you're not familiar with it, this is a super popular shop with homemade cupcakes, cookies, plenty of ice cream flavors, just lots of goodies to choose from. And the frosting shots here are basically it's just a shot of frosting. It's just frosting. It's served in a small souffle cup. You can choose from any flavor they have available that day. They are $1.50 each. And the flavors here can differ, but the popular ones include vanilla, chocolate, cream cheese, strawberry, marshmallow, and salty caramel. These are meant for major icing lovers. These are meant to be small and indulgent, and they're an option for those who want something sweet without having to eat like an entire cupcake. You can enjoy these on their own, or you can get them on the side for another snack for like dipping, or if you want to like kind of make it into like your own topping. Just a heads up there. Now, next up, we're going over to All-Star Sports to the End Zone Food Court, and here we're gonna get the Mickey Waffle Gelato Sundae. This one is $6.69, and basically it's your choice of gelato, which the flavors can vary, but the popular ones include chocolate, Nutella, vanilla, raspberry, and pistachio. Now, on top is your choice of toppings that can include caramel sauce, chocolate chips, sprinkles, red hots, and toasted coconut. But the best part here is what makes it Mickey. It comes with a mini Mickey waffle. And this one's made even better by the fact that the waffles are made to order, so they come out warm and fresh, which makes this one another item with that interesting warm and cold combination. Now, another one that we wanted to talk about, if you're in Disney World, you've got to have one of these at least once. We're talking about the funnel cakes. These are available at various locations around Disney World, but we've got two go-tos. First is the America Funnel Cake stand in the American Pavilion in Epcot, which is a stand offering only funnel cakes. That's all, just funnel cakes. And then at Oasis Canteen in Hollywood Studios, there's the Indiana Jones stand with funnel cakes, ice cream, and floats. Now, overall, Disney World funnel cakes tend to be pretty simple, but there are two exceptions. First is the cookies and cream funnel cake at the America Funnel Cake stand. This one is $11.50, and it's a freshly made funnel cake topped with vanilla ice cream, crushed Oreos, chocolate sauce, and powdered sugar. And the ice cream here comes in the shape of a brick, but it's also huge. And these are really good, but the massive amount of chocolate is really what makes this one special. And then the other one is the strawberry and vanilla ice cream funnel cake at Oasis Canteen. This one is $8.19, and it is snack credit eligible. And this one basically, this is a freshly made funnel cake. It's topped off with strawberry topping, vanilla soft serve, chocolate sauce, and powdered sugar. This thing is massive, and you get a huge amount of soft serve. All in all, it's pretty simple, but what makes this one stand out is the value, especially if you're using a snack credit. This is a really great value for a snack credit. This is a perfect snack to enjoy in warmer weather, and again, this is one with an interesting combination of hot and cold textures that we think you're really going to enjoy. Now, for this one, if you head over to Future World, you're gonna find a gourmet popcorn cart. Now, the menu here is pretty limited. It's mostly popcorn and ice cream novelty items, but the flavored popcorn here is really good. If you want to get the popcorn here, it is $5.25 each, and it is snack credit eligible. Or it's $1.25 if you're using the refillable popcorn bucket. Now, hot, fresh popcorn is available in various locations around the park, but the flavors here are really what's unique to this location. They come in cheddar cheese, buffalo blue cheese, and sour cream and chive. Now, one fun option here is to request a mixture of all the flavors. Now, all three flavors here are very prominent, especially the buffalo blue cheese. But really, hot popcorn is already a favorite snack of ours, so we love the option to get fresh popcorn with all these really interesting flavors. Now, let's go to Wilderness Lodge Resort to Geyser Point. If you're not familiar with it, this is a gorgeous restaurant with both counter service and bar and lounge eating options. And here we're gonna get the cheesy barbecue brisket. This is $11, and it's basically a shareable dip plate with brisket mixed with barbecue sauce, melted provolone, and Tillamook cheddar, and then topped off with a few jalapeno slices. This one is served with house-made chips, and you can order as many chip refills as you need on the small plates rustic fare lounge menu. But the brisket here was really flavorful, and the melted cheese made this a hearty and delicious choice. Also, we love that it's served on a wooden plate to fit in perfectly with the theme, which overall makes this one of our favorite lounge menu items. Now, for our next couple of items, we're going over to Animal Kingdom, to the world of Pandora, and first up at Pongu, we're going to get the Pineapple Lumpia. This one is $2.99. It is snack credit eligible, and when we first tried this item, it came with two for a higher price, but they changed it, and the current price only comes with one. Now, this one is basically a spring roll filled with cream cheese and pineapple pieces, and then dusted with sugar. This is an item that combines some really interesting flavors. The boldness of the pineapple is cut by the sweetness of the cream cheese. Now, with the warm pineapple, this one might be a love it or hate it item. The opinions that we've heard on this one so far have been kind of mixed, but it's definitely one that we would suggest trying at least once. Now, also in Pandora, we're going to go to Satuli Canteen for the cheeseburger steamed pods and the hot dog. We really enjoyed both of these. In fact, we've enjoyed a lot of the items that we've tried so far at Pandora, but these are a couple of smaller items that really stood out. Now, for the cheeseburger steamed pods, these are $10.99. You get 2 of them along with some vegetable chips. And just a heads up, you can also order these without the side at a lesser price. These are steamed bao buns filled with ground beef and cheese with hints of ketchup, mustard, and pickle. And we love the dough on these. It's super soft and not too moist, which makes this a unique item that's also familiar and very filling. And the other one is the Telu hot dog wrapped in dough. This is a kids menu item for $6.79, but feel free to order this one at any age. And it's served with a side of chips and grapes. Now, the dough surrounding the hot dog on this one is delicious. This is one of our favorite items for this location, so feel free to give that one a try. Now, also in Animal Kingdom, we're going to Yak and Yeti restaurant, where we're gonna have you get the Firecracker shrimp. Yak and Yeti is one of our favorite table service restaurant. They've got lots of Asian fusion dishes here, and the Firecracker shrimp are really, really good. These are $10.99. They're listed under these small plates, and these are fried shrimp prepared in a creamy, spicy sauce served over slaw and topped with green onions. The crispiness of the shrimp was spot on, and the spiciness tamed by the creaminess of the sauce was heavenly. We always enjoy our food here, but this dish is truly a standout. And finally, we're going over to Mr. Kamal's at the Asia area of Animal Kingdom. This is a quick service window. It's pretty easy to miss, and they have a limited menu with a few grab-and-go items. Now, the fresh food options here are really what make this a go-to spot. They've got a couple of great savory and vegetarian food options. They've got the falafel, which is $4.99. It is snack credit eligible, and it comes with 5 pieces and a side of tzatziki sauce. This one's got an interesting mix of textures and flavors. The outside on the falafel is firm and not too greasy, and the inside is soft and packed with chickpeas, parsley, and red pepper. And overall, it's got a very minimum spice to it. The other item we want to have you try here are Mr. Kamal's seasoned fries. These are $5.29, and they are snack credit eligible. This is a boat of french fries topped off with tzatziki salad, and drizzled on top is some sriracha ketchup. The tzatziki salad is a mixture of tzatziki sauce, cucumbers, and tomatoes, but the best part here is that ketchup. It's got some actual spice to it, as well as some good flavor, and you can always request the ketchup on the side if you're nervous about the heat level. But another great part of this is how well seasoned the fries are. But that's it. These have been even more Disney snacks. You can believe me when I say we've just got way too many items that we love here to just throw into one video. Or 2. Maybe even 3. So if you haven't seen the other ones, feel free to check those out. They don't really go in any particular order. Just as long as you try some of these, you're probably gonna have a pretty good time.
After such a presentation, it is so hard for me to sit here and to consider what is on my lunch menu today. And believe you me, it is nothing quite as delightful as what I've just seen. I remember the days when we were able, Laura and I, oh my goodness, just the thought of Laura, Michael, and myself swishing through Disney and her allowing me just to sample some of the hidden treasures. It was just absolutely awe-inspiring. And my friend Laura, we need to do this again and again and again. Nevertheless, it is our intention to take you to Disney and to take you to all of these experiences. So, as you watch our video, as you contemplate that next trip, as you pull together the kids and the kids at heart, let us give you some options for your travel dates to experience this wonderful culinary journey pretty much throughout the world. Remember, you can get us all the time at sherifantastic@gmail.com and by way of telephone 876-345-1437. You can get us throughout North America on our New York number. It's 347-757-6728. Hang tight, lots more to come. Can't wait to hear you call and make your booking so we can really set this up together for you. But remember, at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.
Ryan Little. Yoga.